I've been on the show, you've been on the show for 10 years. I've been on the show for 9 years. We've been exposed to a lot of these storylines that deal with child abuse and child neglect, and we've learned, I think, as actors playing characters, a little bit about it, a little bit more than most people. Yeah. And we have a kind of a predisposition to being empathetic to this cause.
Well, it was shocking. I mean, as BD said, you really don't, comprehend the magnitude of the problem until you see something like that. That by the end of today, 5 more children will have died, and tomorrow 5 more children will have died. Here in the United States, which we consider the most powerful and wealthy country in the world, the child abuse and neglect and fatality rate is higher than any other Western industrialized country. I find it so interesting that we're able to find money for other things like bailing out the banks and fighting wars around the world, when we really need to be focusing and channeling that money into protecting and serving the children of this country, who are the future of this country.
My becoming a father coincided with my coming onto SVU. So all of those child neglect stories that we tell on SVU that are taken from real life cases have affected me in a different way. You can't help but think or imagine your own child. Just the other day, actually the episode that's on tonight is a sexual child abuse story with a boy who's probably 9 years old. And there's no way I could separate my scenes and my work with this young actor playing this part with my own feelings about my own son. It's impossible.